Guys, let me show this Range Rover Sport. It can be Sport, Wingo, any kind of Range Rover that is showing you suspension fault from the stabilizer or something concern. I will put the message on the screen. So if it's showing there and you try to control this stabilizer switch and it's only showing this vehicle signal, and all this one is not controlling, all this is not working. When you tune it, it's not working. When the car is on parking and everything is working fine, start, everything is working good, computer you see like mine now, this one is blinking, but if I start the car, it's going to stop. So you still not blink again. Like this one is not blinking, that means okay. So if this is not rotating, it's only stand on this one, so that means you need to do some calibration first. You need to do some calibration. It says I'm tuning it here, it's changing there also. You can see it's changing. Before, all this is not working. So what I did is, you need to do some calibration here. You go to your aux function. This is the aux function. You will come to your suspension. You will come to set a suspension manufacturing frozen mode. After you get there, you press OK button. They ask you to turn on your ignition in on position. You press the switch one time or two times for the ignition to be on. After you press OK. After you press OK, you put this vehicle service not in mode. You press OK. This one is successful. Switch off the ignition on, two position on. Okay, you wait for this one to complete. Still loading. Okay,
उसका चाचे चल रहा है लेकिन साउंड नहीं आ रहा.
maybe over. Maybe over.
क्या
over?
हाँ,
maybe what okay, 8 minutes. 2
वो
minutes.
चेक करके बोलेगा.
2 minutes. Now you press OK. Turn the ignition switch off. Okay, it's loading. You turn the ignition off. Our target is all this light here.
या फ्री होके लेके आओ फिर है कंप्यूटर. हाँ,
Only 1 minute bus. Okay, now it's successful.
वो एक
So
गाड़ी और
turn
भी है ना
ignition.
मेजर, मैंने वो चेक करनी है ना.
Abi colors. Now let's start. You can see there are some lights here. So let's do the calibration again. That means it's not correct. Turn off the ignition. Okay. Turn on ignition. Mode. Let me use mode this time around. Okay, successful. Turn off ignition. Okay. Turn ignition to position. Okay. Okay. Wait for this one to load.
هذا منتهي معلوم. ده حمار انت، ما في معلوم شغل هاي.
computer urgent, customer waiting.
Wait, it's loading. Let this one finish.
طول هوريكم بدا انا اسند نفسي واسند.
Okay, press OK. Switch off. Okay.
Sleeping, all time sleeping. Night knows
انا فرايداي نو اوف.
why
فرايداي
coming one by one change.
Okay.
Sawa problem.
Ignition switch on. Okay. Successful.
Ready? Oh?
Turn off. Okay. Then I start. You see now, no lights. All the light is gone. The message is gone.
Finish.
So now you can see no any lights. You can see the light before. So you can see now there is no light. Let me check show one, no any warning. You can see now. Let's control this. You can see it here. You can see here also it's on. If I shifting it, it will be rotating now. You can see that means selecting now. You can see there is green light coming with dash. This for diff lock. You see everything is working fine now. You can see everything is working fine. You can see. So that is how to solve the problem. So, and if you try to do the calibration, if it is not working, so that means you need to change the control valve assembly. This is the control valve assembly. This is it here. Let me show you the control valve assembly. Need to at first do the calibration is not going, so after that I order this part here, control valve assembly. We have this 6 hole. You can see control valve assembly. I change it before it's done, but first of all you need to do the calibration. When the calibration is done, so that time you can do that. This is the part I changed from there, and the part is under the sun roof here. Let me leave the car and show you guys. So this is where it's located. This is where it's located. If you want to remove it, you need to lose this bolt here. You lose this another bolt and this. So after you pull this one out, the oil will come out. So you need to remove this bolt. After this two bolts, so you can access to this. And if you need to remove this one, so you need to remove these 3 bolts. After you fill the oil from the up, so that you can do the calibration. After your car is successful. And if it's talking about the rod, also this is the motor that is controlling the stabilizer here. This is the motor here, the rear motor for the stabilizer. This is the motor, and there is front side stabilizer also. This is the stabilizer for the front side. As you can see, this is stabilizer for the front side. So you need to check if there is no some leakage. If there is some leakage also, you always showing this same message. If there is oil leakage, you always showing this message, because the time that I need to give pressure for one side to be balanced, it will not give the balance. The oil will be leaking from there, so that one can cause it. So first thing you need to check is that oil leakage. But from this car here, no leakage from any of the stabilizer here, no leakage. So that's why we decided to change this stabilizer. So that's what I did. The calibration process. If you have any question you want to ask me, just send me a message on the comment section. I will respond to your message. Thank you guys, and try to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.